Hi, I'm Jamin.
I'm Shin.
I'm Kimi.
Hi, I'm Miss Laura. We are from Team.
For yes,
Our main,
say it.
our main enhancement is to give awareness about traffic accident that happens around the world, especially in Malaysia. We included a traffic police to give information about SDG 3. Very cool. Malaysia has implemented laws to prevent further harm on people on the road.
The toughest bug to fix was bug 10. Most of the time we were trying to understand what the question meant. And we took like around more than 10 minutes to fix this bug. And in the end, we decided to take charge to fix it with the variables, with the repeat until loops. So as you can see here, we have fixed it this way. Yeah. As a video game lover myself, I've just never seen a game this great. The graphics are outstanding and the gameplay is just unbelievably excellent. We hope you will enjoy this video game as much as we did. Yeah. Team 4.